Hello and welcome to Mr. Mctoad. Today we are so excited to unboxing the product that is the Acrylic Gauge Plate. It's a game changer for precision and efficiency in woodworking. Crafted from high quality acrylic material, the gauge plate is not only durable but also designed for the accuracy. Let's discuss what we get in the box. First of all, we get gauge plate with a dimension of 27 cm by 22 cm with a thickness of 5 mm. In addition, we got 6 mm of screw, 6 mm of wing nut along with 2-piece washer and 1 piece of gauge strip. Let's see the assembly of gauge plate into cutting machine. The acrylic gauge plate is designed to fit seamlessly into your cutting machine as well as your mini router machine. Without the acrylic gauge plate, every cut means repeated measuring and marking. This not only takes time but also increases the chance of errors. With the acrylic gauge plate, you need to measure once, set your desired dimension, and you are ready to cut consistently every time. Just look at the difference. The gauge plate eliminates all the hassles of repetitive measuring and ensuring each cut is identical. As I mentioned earlier, the gauge plate can also be installed on mini router, which means it is compatible with mini router as well. The acrylic gauge plate not only save your time but it make your project more efficient. It's compatible with most of all cutting machine and mini router.